Today we're going to talk on Java initialization blocks. So initialization blocks are called before constructors and anytime a new object is created. So let's have our class. If we run it, we see that our constructor is called, of course, before the method call. What if we had an initializer block in this class? So let's create one. As you can see, we just have two curly brackets and write our code inside. We could also use this to initialize some variables. So when we run this, you will notice that this initialization block will call itself before the constructor. Now, if you have multiple initialization blocks in one class, they will call themselves in the order that they are created. So for this instance, the first initialization block will be called before the next down. So it comes up, down. If you have three, whoever comes first will be called before the next. So you take note of that when you're creating your initializer block. What if you had a class that had an init block and you inherited it? So we'll have this class vehicle and it will have a constructor. Then we extend it. So let's see what happens. The initialization block runs in the vehicle first, then the constructor, then comes down to our car class, then goes down.